I'm glad to see you in the second lesson for our 10 Art Christmas Challenge, and the topic today is gift tags. Today we will make several design options of gift tags. They are pretty simple, and again we will not just redraw, we will create. Today I will show you another trick for working on a creative project. So, the first theme is the Christmas tree. Before you begin, be sure to look at the original object in life or in the photo. The triangular shape of the Christmas tree is the basis of our work today, and we will try to stylize it. But this time, we will use another way. We draw a chart with 3 columns and place there the following elements: point, line and spot. There are 3 main elements of fine art in any area: painting, graphic design, architecture. They are the main elements for creating any composition. If you analyze any subject of art or design, you will see that everything was created using these 3 simple tools. We also will create using these simple elements. The shape of the Christmas tree is triangle. We will use this form as a basis. In the first box, we will draw the Christmas tree with dots. You can make them colored using primary colors red, yellow and green. In the next box, we draw the Christmas tree using lines. And in the third, we draw a Christmas tree using spots. There are the simplest options. Let's try mixing these graphic elements together. Add 3 more rows to our chart and also place a point, a line and a spot there. We cross out the boxes where the same elements intersect with each other, and we begin to mix different options filling the shape of the Christmas tree. The line can be straight, wavy, zigzag, dots, thick, thin. The point can also be of different shapes and size. The shape and size of the spot may also vary. You can repeat after me or draw your own variations. There may be a lot of different options. It all depends on your imagination. We got 9 different options. These will be our gift tags. I have prepared the sheet A5 format and divided it into 9 parts. In each box I draw a triangle, the shape of the Christmas tree, which we will fill now. I work with brush number 3, 10 art supplies. Make a sample of color on the draft and begin work on the main sheet. Try not to go beyond the boundaries of the triangle when you're painting. After you finish the first layer, wait until it dries, and then add finalize on top. This way, any item can be styled. This is quite an exciting and simple activity, and you can do it with children. So we have finished filling out our Christmas trees. Wait until it dries, then upload white gouache on the brush and add white splash on the top. This way we will create a falling snow effect. After completing the work, cut out the tags and place them on the gifts. And the final project of our 10 Art Christmas Challenge is another option of gift tags. We take the shape of a Christmas wreath as a base. Its shape is a circle with a smaller circle inside. We will stylize it using the same technology, using spots, lines and points. I will make 3 options. I draw 3 circles with a radius of 4 centimeters. I work with a brush number 3, 10 art supplies, and I will use the same colors. After making a sample of color on a draft, we begin work on the main sheet. Leave a space inside the wreath so that you can enter the name there. I fill the first wreath with colored balls. Don't forget to make the first layer transparent and the next layers more intense. While the first wreath dries, I will start making the second wreath, and then I'll finish the first one. I fill the second wreath with lines that look like weaving branches, and then add a few red berries on top. And the last wreath will consist of leaf-shaped spots. We alternate size, intensity and shades of foliage. Fill the wreath with foliage in a circle. After completing the work, enter the names in the tags. Cut out the tags and decorate the gifts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe Zen Art YouTube channel to keep up with updates. I hope you enjoyed this process. Happy painting!